Welcome to my channel Maths Tutor Standard 8 Chapter 7 Percentage Exercise 7.2 Question number 1. Due to a reduction of 20% in the price of a computer table, it cost rupees 3050. Find the original price of the computer table. Let original price is rupees X. Therefore, reduced price becomes X minus reduction, that is 20% of X. X minus 20 over 100 into X, that is X minus X by 5, and we get it is equal to 4 by 5X. Now reduced price is given 3050, therefore 4 by 5X is equal to 3050, and we get X is equal to 3050 into 5 by 4, that is 3812.50 rupees. Question number 2. Due to a increase of 25% in the price of a wristwatch, its price becomes 4550 rupees. Find its original price. Let original price of the wristwatch is rupees X. Therefore, increased price become X plus 25% of X, because 25% is the increase, that is X plus 25 over 100 into X, that is X plus X by 4, it becomes 5 by 4X. Now increased price is given 4550, therefore 5 by 4X is equal to 4550, and we get X is equal to 4550 multiplied by 4 over 5, that is 3640 rupees. Therefore, original price of the wristwatch is 3640. Question number 3. By what percent B's weight is more than that of A if A's weight is 25% less than that of B's weight? We will suppose B's weight is 100. Therefore, A's weight. Now A's weight is 25% less than B. Now B's weight is 100. Therefore, A's weight is 25% less. That is 100 minus 25. It is 75 kg. Because 25% of 100 is 25. Now B's weight more than that of A's weight. More than that of A's weight is 25 kg, and percentage B's weight more 25, original weight of A it is 75 multiplied by 100, it comes out to be 100 over 3, that is 33 and 1 by 3%. Note down percentage weight of B's that is more than that of A is how much weight of B is more than that of A? It is 25 over weight of A, that is 75 multiplied by 100, it is 33 and 1 by 3%. Question number 4. A's income is 30% more than that of B. By what percent B's income is less than that of A? We will suppose let B's income is rupees 100, Therefore A's income is 30% more than B. 30% of 100 is 30. Therefore A's income become 100 plus 30 is 130. Now percentage of B's income less than that of A. It is equal to, now B's income less than A, 130 minus 100, it is 30, over A's income, it is 130 multiplied by 100. It is 300 over 13%, that is 23 and 1 by 13%. Question number 5. By what percent a person must reduce to his consumption so that the expenditure remains same if there is an increase in the price of rice is 20%. Now, increased price of rice is equal to original price plus 20% of original price, that is 1 plus 20% of original price, that is 1 plus 20 over 100, 1 plus 1 by 5 of the original price, it becomes 6 by 5 of the original price of the rice. Now to keep the expenditure same, the consumption and the price, they are inversely proportional to each other. Since the price becomes 6 by 5 times of the original price, therefore consumption should be 5 by 6 times of the original consumption. We will suppose let original consumption of the rice is X kg. Now to keep the expenditure same, reduced consumption should be five by 6 times of the original consumption, that is 5 by 6 times of the X. Now reduce in consumption, reduce in consumption is original consumption X minus reduced consumption 5 by 6 times of X, and it comes out to be 1 by 6 of X. Percentage reduce in consumption, that is percentage reduction, it is equal to reduce in consumption 1 by 6 times of the X over original consumption X multiplied by 100. It is 50 over 3%, that is 16 and 2 by 3%. To keep the expenditure same, the consumption should be decreased by 16 and 2 by 3%. Question number 6. A man received his annual salary in 2009 is 1,85,000. It is 25% more than the salary in 2008. What was his salary in 2008? Let his salary in 2008 is rupees X. Therefore, salary in 2009, it is equal to X plus, how much rise it is? 25%. X plus 25% of X, it becomes X plus 25 over 100 into X, that is X plus X by 4, it becomes 5 by 4X. Now salary in 2009 is 1,85,000. Therefore 5 by 4x is equal to 1,85,000, and we get x is equal to 1,85,000 into 4 by 5, that is 1,48,000 rupees. Question number 7. The total capacity of a godown in 2007 is 3000 kg. In 2008 it is increased by 15%, and then again in 2009 it is increased by 10%. What is its capacity now? So capacity in 2008 becomes, capacity in 2008 increases to 15%. Therefore it becomes 3000 into 15 over 100. It is increased, 450 kg is increased, and capacity becomes 3000 plus 450. It is 3450. Again it is increased by 10% in 2009. Therefore increase in capacity in 2009, now it is increased of 3450. 3450 into 10%, it is 345 kg. Therefore increased capacity now, that is after 2009, 3450 plus 345, it becomes 3700. Question number 8. In an examination, a student scored 20% marks and failed by 40 marks. Another student scored 45% of the total marks and got 10 marks more than required for passing. Find the maximum marks of the examination. Let maximum marks of the examination is equal to x. Therefore this student got 20% of x, that is 20 over 100 into x, that is x by 5, and he failed by 40 marks. Therefore passing marks are he got x by 5 marks, failed by 40 marks. Therefore passing marks are x by 5 plus 40. Now second student scored 45% of the marks and got 10 marks more than required for passing. Therefore passing marks becomes, he got 45% of the maximum, that is 45% of x, and 10 marks more, therefore minus 10. This becomes passing marks. 45 over 100 into x minus 10, that is 9 over 20x minus 10. Now passing marks are same for both the candidates. Therefore x by 5 plus 40 is equal to 9 by 20x minus 10. X by 5 minus 9 by 20x is equal to minus 10. This 40 become minus on the other side, and we get 20 is the LCM. 4x minus 9x is equal to minus 50, minus 5x over 20 is equal to minus 50. Minus is cancelled, and we get x is equal to 50 into 4, 200. Therefore maximum marks for the examination is 200. Passing marks, x by 5 plus 40. Passing marks becomes 200 over 5 plus 40, that is 40 plus 40, it is equal to 80. Percentage required for passing is passing marks 80 over total marks 200 into 100, and it comes out to be 40%. Therefore, passing marks required are 40% and total marks, maximum marks of the examination is 200. Question number 9. In a locality, 10% of the dogs died by a diseases, 15% of the remaining caught by MCD. If the number of dogs left now 6000 by 120, what was the number of dogs in the beginning? Let number of dogs in the beginning, it is equal to x. Therefore, number of dogs died, it is equal to 10% of x, that is 10 over 100 into x, that is x by 10. Therefore, number of dogs remaining when 10% died by the diseases, it is equal to x minus x by 10, that is equal to 9 by 10x. Now, caught by MCD, 15% of the remaining, it is equal to 15% of 9 by 10x. Now, number of dogs remaining is 9 by 10x. 15% of 9 by 10x is 15 over 100 into 9 by 10x. It comes out to be 27 over 200x. Therefore, number of dogs remaining now 9 by 10x, which are remaining when 10% died, then caught 27 over 200x, 9 by 10x minus 27 over 200x. 200 is the LCM, it is 180x minus 27x, it is equal to 153 over 200x. Dogs are still remaining, it is given 6120. Therefore, according to the question, 153 over 200x is equal to 6120, and x we get 6120 into 200 over 153, that is 8000 dogs were present in the beginning. Question number 10. In an election, 10% of the voters didn't cast the votes. The candidates who lost got 1,62,000 votes, which are 45% of the total votes cast. Find the votes secured by the winning candidates. Let the total number of votes cast, let the total number of votes cast is equal to x. Therefore, 45% of x is equal to 1,62,000. 45 over 100 into x is equal to 1,62,000. So 9 over 20x is equal to this, and x is equal to 1,62,000 into 20 over 9. So total number of votes cast are 3,60,000, and the winning candidate got 55% of the total votes cast, that is 55% of 3,60,000. It is equal to 55 over 100 into 3,60,000, and it comes out to be 1,98,000. It is question number 11. A mixture of 25 kg contains A is equal to 2.5 kg, B is equal to 4.8 kg and the remaining is C. What is the percentage of C in the mixture? Therefore, C's weight in the mixture is 25 minus 2.5 plus 4.8. It is equal to 25 minus 7.3. It is 17.7 kg. Now percentage of C in the mixture is weight of C in the mixture 17.7 over total weight of the mixture 25 multiplied by 100, and it comes out to be 70.8%. Question number 12. In an examination, 70% of the students passed the examination. Later on, it was found 2 students were declared fail, and now the new result is 68%. What is the total number of students who appeared in the examination? Now, let the total number of students is equal to X. Total number of students who appeared in the examination is equal to X. Now decrease in result 2%, change in the number of students 2. Therefore 2% of the total number of students, that is X, is equal to 2 students, that is equal to 2, or we can write 2 over 100 into X is equal to 2. And we got X is equal to 2 into 100 over 2, that is total number of students who appeared in the examination are 100. Question number 13. A man distribute his property among his 2 sons and daughter. Elder son got 30% of the property. Younger son got 25% of the remaining property, and the rest of the property got daughter. Daughter receives 210 square feet of the property. Then what was the total property of the man? Let total property of the person is X square feet. Therefore, elder son got 30% of X, that is 30 over 100 into X, that is 3 by 10x. Therefore, remaining property is total property minus the property received by the elder son. X minus 3 by 10x is 7 by 10x. Now 25% of this property is got by younger son. Therefore, younger son receive 25% of the remaining property of 7 by 10x, that is equal to 25 over 100 into 7 by 10x. It is 7 by 40x. Now the rest of the property is received by daughter. Therefore, property received by daughter is 7 by 10x minus 7 by 40x, because this is the property got by the younger son, and the daughter receives 28x minus 7x is equal to 21 over 40x. Now the property received by daughter is 210 square feet. Therefore, 21 over 40x is equal to 210 square feet, and we get total property X is equal to 210 into 40 over 21, that is 400 square feet total property was there. Now percentage of the property received by debtor is property received by debtor 210 over total property 400 multiplied by 100, and it comes out to be 52.5%. Question number 14. A man was allotted a plot of measurement 20 meter by 15 meter. On measuring, it was found the length decreased by 10% and the breadth increased by 15%. Find the percentage increase in area of the plot. Now decreased length of the plot is 20 minus 10% of 20, because 10% is decreased. 20 minus 10 over 100 into 20, that is 20 minus 2, it is equal to 18 meter. And increased breadth of the plot is 15 plus 15% of 15. 15 plus 15% of 15. 15 over 100 into 15. That is 15 plus 9 by 4. It is equal to 69 over 4 meter. Now original area of the plot is length into breadth. 20 into 15 is equal to 300 meter square. Increased area of the plot is, now length is 18 meter and breadth is 69 over 4 meter. So length into breadth, it comes out to be 621 over 2, that is 310.5 meter square. Now increase in area, it is equal to 310.5 minus 300, it is equal to 10.5 meter square. And percentage increase in area, that is equal to increase in area 10.5 over original area. Original area of the plot is 300 meter square multiplied by 100, and it comes out to be 3.5. Question number 15, part 1. A number is increased from 225 to 275. Find the percentage increase. Now the increase in number is 275 minus 225 is equal to 50. Percentage increase, it is increase in number over original number 225 multiplied by 100. It is 200 over 9%, that is 22 and 2 by 9%. A number is decreased from 300 to 235. Find the percentage decrease. First of all, decrease in number, 300 minus 231, it is equal to 69. Percentage decrease, it is decrease in number 69 over original number 300 multiplied by 100. It is 23%.